Form 706, what can you tell us?
Form 706 is for estates. So if you ultimately have over a certain dollar threshold, at this point in time, as of this recording, that threshold is about $13.5 million if you are single. If you have a spouse, it's twice that, so it's about $27 million. If you are over that threshold, you're required to file an estate tax return. That estate tax return is 706. We often file them for individuals or folks who have less than that, and in order to memorialize the basis of certain assets. So especially those assets that either have appreciated or will appreciate. We want to memorialize as much as we can, make sure that the IRS sees it. All of that gets reported on Form 706. As part of that, you are ultimately going to need an appraisal, often more than one appraisal, and it depends on what type of assets you have. So if it's a fine art collection, for instance, that appraisal is going to need to be done fairly in depth.
Right.
All of that gets reported on Form 706. There's a calculation then to make sure that your lifetime exclusion has not yet been used. If it has, then there's an additional calculation that shows the amount of tax that would ultimately be due. And so that's Form 706.